friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to make slime. Let's welcome back our guest, Sherex. Hi Sherex, are you ready to make some slime today with us? All right, so to make slime, there are a lot of recipes out there and they're all pretty simple. I use the one that I have with the household items sitting around. I have 8 ounces of Elmer's glue, and I like to use the colored kind that's got the fragrance in it already, that's got the glitter in it already. And I like to use the baking soda and contact lens solution. That's all we need to make our slime today. Are you ready to get started, Sherex? All right. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our Elmer's glue, all 8 ounces, and we're going to put it in our bowl. All right, now that we've got that in our bowl, now what we want to do is we want to use a teaspoon of baking soda. This activates our recipe. Alright, Rex can start mixing this up for us. And we want 2 tablespoons of our contact lens solution. Any contact lens solution works. It doesn't have to be a particular kind, brand, or anything like that. Okay, so we need 2 tablespoons of our contact lens solution. Rex, let me see this. So now what we're going to do, mix it all together. Now, if this is like stringy or it's too thick, any of those things, you can gradually add a little bit of more contact lens solution to your recipe to get it the way that you want it to be. What I think works best is just take your hands, get it in there. Oh, this smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell it. Straight up smells like blueberries. All right, so once that you get your solution mixed up really well, look what you got. You got some awesome slime, and this is the foamy slime, so this is the really fun stuff. So this is how you make slime. You want to play with it, Rex? Ooh, Sherex likes the slime. Who doesn't like slime, right? So that, friends, is how you make slime. So I hope that you guys have a lot of fun making slime, as I sure do. And I hope that we will see you again next week with another great video. All right, Sherex, you want to play with my slime? All right, let's do it. Say bye to everybody, Sherex. Bye, everybody.